guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shariana here, and in today's vlog, let's practice pronouncing some words with AUGHT sound in American English and AUGHT sound in British English. So just a disclaimer guys, it's okay if you mispronounce or if you read a single word differently from its standard pronunciation, because we read a single word by how it is being spelled, right? So it doesn't matter as long as you will be understood by other speakers. Or maybe the advantage of having a standard pronunciation is that you will never be misunderstood by another speaker or by native speakers. So let's try pronouncing some words. So I have here this one. The first pronunciation that I'm going to say is the American English or the American pronunciation. So this is ought, fought, bought, ought, bought, ought, brought, ought, sought, ought, thought. Alright, so as what you can see here, we can see the spelling O-U-G-H-T. It is read as ought, ought in American English. And these words also, they also have the same sound, like the ought sound in American English. So let's try to read. The first word is daughter, daughter. For ought, fraught, ought, taught, ought, ought, caught, ought, naughty, naughty. Yes, that is the American pronunciation or American English. So the next one is, this is the UK pronunciation or British English. So in British English, they say this word as ought, not ought in American English. It's ought, 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 fought, ought, bought, ought, brought, ought, sought, ought, thought. And the other words are this one. This single word is spelled as A-U-G-H-T. However, it is being read as ought, ought, ought in British English. So let's try to read the words. Oughter, ought, I'm sorry. In British English, instead of saying they will try to remove the R sound. So instead of saying daughter or daughter, they say daughter. Daughter, daughter, daughter. Wala kang nagduwag daughter. Daughter, daughter. Next one is for ought, fraught. For ought, fraught. Ought, taught, ought, ought, caught, ought, naughty, naughty. Yes, so that's all for today guys. I hope that you keep on practicing the pronunciation of these words together with your children if you like them to practice pronouncing these words correctly. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye bye, see you next time.